Mema obi bia akwaba eba Time TV official and Time FM eso. Se nene feze mi we share make sure say obe share video yi ama unya bi so anya bi. Ene announcement kitwa bi na meneba. Na announcement we no in three forms. 1. Future of Time TV. 2. Scholarships. 3. Benefits. So I don't mean saying and make much. First one Time TV, your future. Before video ending no, make sure the future of Time TV. Your setup, your design, your platform, your design, how we see who internet ni so. Baby morning show, entertainment, sports, all the issues beyond set up on CSA design. At the end of the video, baby, see it. And our face, you Time TV official. I'm say you be some updates into a group and then so na nobody natural. Yanko next one sponsorship. The Time TV. For now, Time TV official. Ye Bible started us to meet live 24/7. Always be ye Time FM. In the program be because of Time FM be you will stream on live. Uti fear waiting ahwebi. Even po enfan says a program when you be a share. Oba na ko internet ne so a either say Facebook and YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, all the social media platforms waiting akohwe ewo. Nti yepe companies ya o me sponsor ama yetimi asset up sa de eba be no. Na yepe 5 companies pe. Asas 5 companies no. Almost sponsor ye promote for 6 good months. Me repeat 6 months. Na your contract na end. Say I want to say a business be man. Then you sit down. Is kake true be the mutia for 5 companies. Any company from 5 going biano and follow within sa category no. Sa 5 no VVIP scholarships. Among all your videos biano, you try and promote them. Our social media platforms na BBR who say a show to say as with you a show pepe sana be yam. Inti self say you promote for 6 months. Our platform is so pancha any YouTube nko any Facebook nko all other social media platforms one. Make sure say obeka sa first 5 from home. Obeka ho may buy more benefits. Say obeka ho obinya. Na the thing benefit we am no. Say we company so na say o sponsor Time TV. Na sponsor Time FM. Obenya sa benefit we nyina 13 benefits. If you cry you do ha man share down list and come. Say we promote Time TV nko a pacha benefit we unya nina. Sa so na promote Time FM nko so a unya nina. But say we promote yemi na benya nina. Pacha we promote Time TV. Enye amount bia e just small amount. Ofra one ye team ne bekasa. Afi yenhwe benefit ya company ubenya if you promote Time TV, Time FM. 1. Free website TMB. Free websites. Idea of a top a domain name. Auto domain name we are domain name and cost more than 200 Ghana. In auto domain name we are the aka Time TV. The free and found kind of website you pay. Say a school website, a business, company BR, any kind of website of BR. yɛbɛ ɛde ama wo sɛ bi e-commerce website anaa listing website yɛbɛyɛ de ama wo. 2 free PayPal account nko adeɛ a yɛbɛketi PayPal account ama wo na yɛakɔnɛte ama wo mobile money account indirectly. Wɔ Mastercard yɛbɛkɔnɛte ama no, wɔ Visa card yɛbɛkɔnɛte ama no, na yɛsan so akɔnɛte ama virtual card free wontua hwee 10% wontua. 3 WhatsApp marketing yɛbɛ promote business no ɛwɔ over 500 WhatsApp business group a everyday biara yɛbɛ post business no ɛwɔ so. 4 Facebook marketing yɛbɛ promote business no in the form of pictures and videos ɛwɔ Facebook over 400 Facebook business pages and groups. 5 Telegram marketing yɛbɛ promote business no ɛwɔ Telegram yɛwɔ over 100 Telegram business groups a yɛbɛ promote businesses ɛwɔ so. Yɛwɔ Instagram marketing yɛbɛ promote business so ɛwɔ Instagram. Yɛwɔ YouTube marketing yɛankasa yɛwɔ over 12 YouTube pages and accounts a ɛyɛ adwuma a yɛ promote ɛwɔ so. Ebi yɛ My Listing Ghana, bi yɛ Waters GSM, bi yɛ G2 Family Limited, bi yɛ deɛ wohwɛ yɛwɔ a lot. Tech Tricks Room yɛwɔ so many YouTube account a yɛbɛ promote business so ɛwɔ so. Yɛbɛ promote business so ɛwɔ Twitter marketing, Pinterest marketing, mobile marketing, Google Plus marketing, email marketing, ɛne yɛ once in a week. Yɛwɔ about 5 websites nti yɛ promote business no with email marketing to your customers ɛwɔ a website ne so in the form of text message and once in a week. Nti ɛna content marketing yɛbɛketi content about business no ɛno nso yɛ once in a week a yɛ promote bi ama wo. Nti wei na yɛ ɛmfasoɔ bi a sɛ wo promote Time TV, Time FM a wobɛnya from now onwards. Mo a before sɛ wo ne Time FM ɛyɛ adwuma pɛn a wode advert ama wo pɛn a yɛde some benefit ɛba a mo nso yɛde ma mo for free, even if ɛsɛ mpo no wɔn mo ɛnyɛ business bi mfrɛ mpa a yɛba abɛboa wo business for free. Mo nso mo de ɛba mo nka wei ho wei deɛ yɛ ɔma a ɔmo wa bɛ sponsor Time TV, Time FM for now ɛkɔ. Fine, usika nso sɛ bituma promote emienu na Time FM kwan na promote a so wɔn some benefit ɛwɔ mu a wɔn nsa ɛbɛka. Saa nso na wɔn Time TV kwan bɛyɛ adwuma nso a na for now usika nso sɛ bɛyɛ Time FM account so a wɔn nso wɔ benefit a wɔn nsa bɛka ɛwɔ mu. But wɔn yɛ nkasa a make sure sɛ wobɛtumi ayɛ the two of a sɛ bɛyɛ a deɛ wɔpɛ no wɔn nsa bɛka no ntɛntɛm so. Enti momenhwɛ video ɛba yi ɛno na yɛ the setup of Time TV official for now a edin ba bɛ change small because yɛ update yɛ ho a yɛ ba bɛkɔ advance sɛdeɛ ehu nsi no yɛ ba bɛ more things aka ho a will be like other TV stations sɛdeɛ ehu ɔmo no. It will give you more quality pictures, videos, and sound. So here previous live videos were sorry. We say it just network name why ni na counter air sponsorship said be ya never be a bit here Emma Edmana call him no into a pet and moi kaka into all time districts Bono is Ahafo, some part of Savannah region, some part of Ashanti region, Time FM eduru nyina wobetimi de business aba ofre number ya benyame se opese ofre Time FM state so a omonso number na ofre omonso a benya Time FM state but me am kasa die water me number and ho me pa cho me dey frame me a business send the business information bra o send it by say o say no kasa be kasa bo go piwa mo fra mo hwi ka kire akola bia no frɛ you send information de ba o ka wa send through WhatsApp no so a na se be hia say me frɛ wa me frɛ saa so na ade bia so ɛkɔ so wɔ pattern na be say Time FM ana Time TV ye betwa ana ye ka ɛwɔ Time FM a na wa me aso ati yɛnhwɛ video afei uhwe video ya say this is when you set up for Time TV acha hwiebe next month elisi no bedu middle there na de wuhu no saa na bibia behu ewo internet no so enti wo mwa bia callers your other channel wa you promote any business there Emma listing Ghana business bia ene niska eno asaba se no business information dia ba ye ka timbe check him say business ade aba no if authentic enye scammer ye be ka ho asem e wo ma listing Ghana ama for free as our channel no for e di promote Ghana business in kwa we Ghana ni kwa na wo business in kwa e fa no bra wo business no say software app game products bibia o pese o ka ma for tip ma santi bia o send information ba ma listing Ghana e be ka ma san at said ye medical can no your friend me water bye bye e be san asia